Welcome to this video about the conversion of NFA to DFA. So you'll be given with an NFA, either the transition table or the transition diagram they'll give you. You'll have to first construct the DFA table and then the diagram for it. Okay. So now moving on to the step 1, that is construction of DFA transition table. For that, the first starting state of the DFA will be the starting state of NFA itself, that is Q0 is the starting state in the NFA table. So here also it will be the starting state. So now here it is, current state is Q0, which is going to be the starting state for this DFA also. So on input 0 and on input 1, what is the next state that we will have to build? Okay, so the first transition of Q0 will be as such, that is Q0 Q1 and then Q1. So here Q0 Q1 is a new state and Q1 is also a new state. Suppose if we had a Q0 here, then it will not be considered as a new state. Except Q0, all others are considered as new state only. So now Q0, Q1 transition, so it will be the same transition as here. And the next new state is Q0 Q1. So to find this transition find the transition of this state Q0 Q1 on receiving this input 0, we'll have to combine Q0 Q1 transition on 0 in the NFA table. So in the NFA table, this is Q0, this is Q1, this is the transition upon receiving input 0 for Q0 and Q1. So we'll have to combine these two, that is Q0 Q1 union pi. So it is going to be Q0 Q1. And the next state, the next transition, that is Q0 Q1 or upon receiving input 1 is Q0 on 1 is Q1 union Q0 on 1 is Q1 on 1 is Q0 Q1. So when you combine these two together, it is going to be Q0 Q1, or when you find the union of these two. So this works based on the formula, that is transition of the new DFA table for the state Q0, Q1 on receiving input 0 is going to be transition of the NFA transition of Q0 on 0 union transition of the NFA transition of Q1 on 0. Okay, so now it is going to be, what is Q0 Q0 0? It is this one, Q0 Q1 union Q1 on 0. Q1 on 0 is pi. Okay, that is why we got it as Q0 Q1. Okay, so this is the formula how you have found the transition. So this is how we got this value. Okay, so the next step is to draw the transition diagram. So now we have got we have to find the final state also. So here Q1 is the final state. So wherever you have Q1, that is going to act as the final state. Transition diagram. So Q0 is going to be the starting state, Q1, and then Q0 Q1, that is the new state which is formed. Okay, so they are going to be the final state also. So Q0 on receiving input 0, it is moving to Q0 Q1. Q0 on receiving input 1, it is moving to Q1. Q1, there is no transition for 0. Q1 on 1, it is going to Q0 Q1. and Q0 Q1 on receiving 0 it is Q0 Q1, same state, and on receiving 1 it is again Q0 Q1. So this is the transition diagram, equivalent transition diagram, DFA diagram, transition diagram, DFA. Thank you.